Good morning, everyone. My name is Armando Gomez, and I did a graphic design for Oscar's Bearings and Seals. My client's name is Oscar Ruiz, and he's a local business owner in Castroville, California. The problem with his business was that the logo was not communicating with the business itself. The logo needed identity, and as you guys can see on his previous logo, some people used to mistake the name with scars instead of Oscars, and I took the initiative to create a solution and in order to increase his business. My solution was creating an identity package and marketing materials such as logo, website, stationery system, environmental signage, and uniforms. Before I began creating my logo, I began by doing research and looking at the competitors and visualizing designs. My sketches began, I made 3 concepts with totally 3 different approaches, and through that I made them digital. My first concept, as you guys see the evolution, it was mainly a conservative type of logo that was similar to my client's previous logo. My second concept was type dominance. You guys can see the evolution. My third concept was a graphic and type with a more modern feel to it. Through many meetings with my client and peers and feedback, this is the final solution that my client elected. Not only does this logo signify what Oscar's Bearings and Seals is, it also displays an O for Oscar and a moving bearing, which works well with this company. I created a graphic standards guide, which I provided to my client. This guide, I provided 2 examples on what the guide did. This guide is mainly to demonstrate my client on how to use the logo appropriately. The logo colors I used are provided, and those are just the pigments on if my client ever wants to go and print and get the exact match. I also provided the original, how my logo looks on positive and on negative, in case you ever wanted to print on a newspaper. That's how it should look. I then applied my logo to stationery, such as a letterhead, an envelope, and business card. I then created a website, a 6-page website that users can come and look at the services my client provides, contact them, or just research on frequently asked questions regarding the services. I applied a sign in his business, a brochure. This is similar to what the website, just in a compressed version. It depicts the frequently asked questions, how the business started, and just the services. Miscellaneous, I created mugs, uniforms for the company, and environmental signage such as work trucks. Tools I used to create my project were Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Greenwood. And what I learned throughout this was just working with timelines, full-time students, and just having that rigid schedule. The importance of others' opinions, just getting that feedback from my professors and my peers was very essential. And working with my client, just through the help and the communication, I made this project successful. Just want to thank my advisor, Bobby Long, my fellow peers, and just please visit me if you have any questions. Thank you.